RYOBI 18V mower assembly and start guide. Handle assembly for the push models P1180 and P1190. Extend the upper handles till the handles sit in the grooves. Insert the bolts through the holes where the upper and lower handles meet. Screw the handle lock knobs onto each bolt and tighten till secure. Pull the handles to the operating position and fully tighten all lock knobs. Handle assembly for the self-propelled model P11100. Turn the green knob at the bottom on the handles to unlock. Raise handles vertically. Turn the green knobs back to the original position to lock handles into place. Assembling and installing the grass catcher. The handle on the frame should be facing up, and the bag should have the vinyl side facing down. Slide the bag onto the frame and pull the clips over the frame rails. Make sure you leave the frame handle outside the bag and the bag seams are located at the frame's edges. Attach the remaining clips on each side. Place the grass catcher directly between the handles and lift the rear door. Make sure the hooks are seated into the slots on the mower housing. Lower the rear door. Installing the mulch plug, lift and hold the rear door. Insert the mulching plug at a slight angle. The tab on the mulch plug should be seated in the slot at the bottom of the opening. Lower the rear door. Installing the side discharge chute for the self-propelled model P11100. The mulch plug must be installed to use side discharge. Lift the mulching cover, insert the side discharge chute, and align the two notches with the tab on each side of the mulching cover. Lower the mulching cover. Setting the blade height. To raise the blade height, grasp the height adjustment handle and move it towards the back of the mower. To lower the blade height, move it towards the front of the mower. Starting the push mowers P1180 and P1190. Ensure the battery is fully charged before installing. Raise the battery cover and insert the battery. Next, insert the start key. Then, lower the lid. To start the mower, press and hold the start button. Pull the lever towards the handle, then release the start button. To stop the mower, release the lever and the blade will automatically disengage. To start the self-propelled model P11100. Ensure both batteries are fully charged before installing. Raise the battery cover and insert the battery. Next, insert the start key. Then, lower the lid. To start the mower, pull the bale towards the handle, then press the start button to engage the blades. To activate the self-propelled feature, pull the trigger up towards the handle. To adjust the speed, slide the switch to the right to increase or to the left to decrease. To stop the self-propelled, release the lever. To stop the mower, release the bale and the blade will automatically disengage. Need additional help? Call RYOBI customer service